get into the car, engine starts. What is it going to do? Wow, there is no driver inside. Activation. Wow. And I'm gonna try to stand behind it. It stopped. Now it's going back. That's very cool.